Welcome to English Listening Practice. Chapter 1: The Train. Listen and repeat. Emma sat on the train. Emma sat on the train. She looked out the window. She looked out the window. The train was moving slowly through the countryside. The train was moving slowly through the countryside. Green fields passed by. Green fields passed by. Small houses appeared and disappeared. Small houses appeared and disappeared. Emma took a deep breath. Emma took a deep breath. Today was an important day. Today was an important day. She was moving to a new city. She was moving to a new city. Emma felt excited. Emma felt excited. But she also felt nervous. But she also felt nervous. She had lived in a small town her whole life. She had lived in a small town her whole life. Everything there was familiar. Everything there was familiar. She knew every street. She knew every street. She knew many people. She knew many people. But Emma wanted something new. But Emma wanted something new. She wanted new experiences. She wanted new experiences. She wanted to meet new people. She wanted to meet new people. And she wanted a better job. And she wanted a better job. The train continued moving. The train continued moving. Emma checked her phone. Emma checked her phone. Her friend Anna had sent a message. Her friend Anna had sent a message. Good luck today. Good luck today. Emma smiled. Emma smiled. She typed a reply. She typed a reply. Thank you. I'm excited but nervous. Thank you. I'm excited but nervous. Anna answered quickly. Anna answered quickly. You will do great. You will do great. Emma felt a little calmer. Emma felt a little calmer. Outside, the city slowly appeared. Outside, the city slowly appeared. Tall buildings replaced small houses. Tall buildings replaced small houses. Cars filled the streets. Cars filled the streets. The train was arriving. The train was arriving. Emma picked up her bag. Emma picked up her bag. It was time for a new beginning. It was time for a new beginning. Great job listening today. See you in the next chapter.